One design app smash that I find really cool is the one between Book Creator and Canva. I'm going to start in Book Creator, which is a design tool that students can use to create books, and you can also create books and design them in your library. Here are a few examples. We have a district license for this. These are some student-made books. I actually made this one, a little book of pop-ups, and I've made choice boards in Book Creator before. And this is just strictly using Book Creator, but you can actually use Canva to design some cool things in Book Creator. So these are examples of some blank books I started and haven't added anything to. So if I go to new book and I select which shape I would like, I'll choose square for the heck of it. And now I want to connect my Canva to my Book Creator. Book Creator is great in terms of layouts and fonts and the selection of just artistic type tools that you can add to your book. But if you're yearning to use Canva and you're used to using Canva, you can also design some pretty cool things in Canva right from Book Creator and bring them in. So I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to go to Add Apps here. And mine shows that I've already added this, but on yours, if you don't have Canva added already, you'll have to click this check mark. And if you want your students to use it, you'll have to enable it for your libraries. There are some details, and there are your settings. So you can choose which libraries you would like to enable Canva in. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to exit out of my teacher dashboard, and I'm going to go back to my plus sign and go to More. And now I'm going to scroll and I'm going to find Canva, and I'm going to click on it. And Canva's going to know by default that I'm looking for a cover. So it's going to give me some cover templates, which is pretty cool. Now, just like if I were in Canva, I could just start designing and use some elements. I could kind of search up some things here if I didn't see a book cover I liked, and I could just start from scratch if I wanted to design my book cover in Canva. But let's say I want to use one of these really cool layouts for book covers. I can select whichever one floats my boat. And just like everything in Canva, if I didn't like this balloon, I could click on it and remove it, or I could change the color. And again, I could change the title here, and change any text I would like. And voila. And then I just go and I add it to my book. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring it back into Book Creator. Now it's going to be an image that you can't tweak or change the minute details that you created in Canva for. You can, however, add pictures to layer over this right in Book Creator by clicking the Add button and going to Images. And then you can search for an image and add it over your cover. But this is designed in Canva, and it's going to bring the image as a Canva image directly over. Now I go to my page 2 of 3. I have my cover, and I want to design my page here in Canva. I go to More. Again, same process, Canva. And this time I'll be able to pull some templates based on what I'm looking to design. I could use my brand kit here. I could use any headings or text that I like. I love this one. I want to just add it to my book. And then I continue designing in Canva. And I'll show you just how to bring that page in. We'll do that. And add to book. And you can add animations, same as you would if you were designing this in Canva. But instead, it's in Book Creator. So a cool way to use this would be if you wanted to just pull a Canva template cover and have every single student in your library have the same book cover, same title. You could duplicate it in your library. So I'll go back, and this is my library, but you would have a class library, and you could just copy this for all your students and then rename it. So you'd have like 20 copies of Julia's book. And what you would do is you would rename it, and you would assign it to a student. A student would jump onto that book and that would be their copy, and they would be able to design the pages inside. So you could kind of say, all right, we're going to make a book on fairy tales or mermaids. Here's the cover. You come up with the story, and the kids all have the same cover that was designed in Canva. Just an idea, just a suggestion. But just wanted to open that up to you. Book Creator is a beloved tool with elementary students and even middle school. They love the ability to be able to go in and design their own books and kind of type out what they're thinking. There are a lot of accessibility features too in Book Creator, so students can, like our non-readers and non typers, can actually use a microphone to add whatever they're thinking, and it kind of types it out on the page for them. So it's a great tool to explore, and to be able to combine it with Canva is just one cool way to make your designs come to life.